Sup guys? I just got home, but I took a quick detour before I got here. Not my proudest moment. This is the Home Time collection and it houses the cutest little figurines ever. God, this cost me a fortune, but originally when I had asked them, hey, do you guys have puckies over here? They said,
Oh, we only have the Home Time collection.
I was like, oh, I've actually been eyeing this collection. Then the salesperson tells me,
Oh, we have an entire set.
I could have just bought a couple of small boxes, but no, he tempted me with the whole set. And not gonna lie, I think this is my favorite pucky collection to date. It has been unwrapped. Look at how cute the packaging is. Ah! I can't get it to open. I wanna open it in a way that I don't tear the box. It shouldn't be this hard. I'm so dumb. Why can't I open it easily? Why is this so hard? Oh my god. Finally. What should we open first? They say that boyfriend luck is real, so I'll ask my boyfriend. Baby, which one should I open first? He said 5, which is the center. So my favorite among this collection would be the At Your Service. I also want the Goodnight Baby, because I heard that this one lights up. It's so cute. It doesn't feel like the usual box that I feel like you're supposed to remove this. Or not. I don't know. I won't look at the card. What could this be? Oh! Boyfriend luck is real! Oh my god! This is what I've been eyeing on! And I got it at the first pull! He's so cute! Okay, next box. I want to go with number 2. I think I opened the first one wrong. Yeah, you can keep the packaging without breaking the cover. I get it now. Ooh, this one's... Oh, I already know what this one is. It's very obvious just by touching it. This is the lamp. Does it really light up? He's so cute. Ah! First 2 pulls and I already have my prios. Oh my god. I want this to be the thumbnail of my YouTube video. Okay, next. This one has accessories. I think I got spoiled. It has the candle, isn't it? The candle one is so cute! And it has a little table that comes with it. So it looks like this. Oh my god, this is my favorite pucky collection of all time. On to the next box. I'll probably open half. I'm sorry to do this in 2 parts, but I want to let the dopamine flow on another day. I think it's wiser to not open everything at once. That way you don't buy more at once. The accessories are spoiling me. I already know what this is. This is the milk pot. I'm bound to get all of them. Not gonna lie, it's no surprise. When you buy a set, you get all of them. But there is also a potential to get the secret one. You don't get duplicates when you buy the bundle, when you buy the box. So that's good. Oh my god. You guys. Like, I don't know how they do it. They're already cute in the pictures, but they're way cuter when you're actually holding them. Last box of the day. Why doesn't it get easier? Probably because I'm trying my best not to break it, but it ends up getting broken anyway. Okay, this one has no accessories, therefore I will not be spoiled. Ooh, something pointy at the top for sure. This could be pepper grinder or tree clock or maybe even boiling kettle. I mentioned a lot of things that I don't have yet. So cute. Would you like some tea, sir? Indubitably. So cute. Almost missed out on a little accessory. He comes with a little cup. This cup has a face. I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay. That is gonna be the last unboxing for today. We're gonna do a part 2. I'm sorry, I just can't do this in one sitting, or else I will end up buying another bundle really soon and my wallet is gonna cry. Hope you guys had fun. So let's do a quick recap of which puckies I've pulled today. I got this one first, and then this one, which lights up, and then we got this one, which has its own stand, and then this one, and lastly, this one. So yay! If you guys enjoyed and want to see part 2, please subscribe to this channel and follow, like, do the engagement stuff, you know, to keep my channel growing. But yeah, this has been your girl, Likeable, and her wallet's crying, but she loves PopMart. It sparks joy for her, so she's gonna buy some more eventually. But for now, I'll see you guys in part 2 once I film it.